Hi guys, good afternoon. Guess where we are? Three rides ako. Yeah. Hi from Texas. Welcome to our little amusement park. Linya yung tao ng Lola.
Which one do you like, Dab? You like the all you can ride, or you just like the free ride? What are the free rides?
Ricky, are you excited?
Yeah.
You're excited to ride all rides? What ticket will you get? The day adventure pass or the super tres?
I
You
don't
only
know.
get to ride 3 rides.
Free rides?
Oh,
For what?
or you're gonna get the 650.
650?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
it's your first time with your cousin Gab Gab.
Yeah. For you. Yay!
Ako day.
Yun among gituyo din heke. Gusto ko siya mag-snow.
Let's go. Inside.
Open lang, sir.
Ikaw li open, ma'am?
Natalag mo open, sir. Lang.
Not yet. Not yet.
Kaya sa videographer.
Naagin na yung videographer. Wala man may nag-snow world. Wala may nag-snow world. Si Mama ra. Pabugnaw si Mama dito. How does it feel to be inside Anjo's world?
Good.
Good. Oh, that's Mama. This one is challenging.
That one looks challenging.
This one looks okay.
Are you scared of that one?
You want to ride the CPZ roller coaster?
I can hear them dropping. You have to go upside. Oh no.
You can do it.
Oh, you're facing each other. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you line up na there. Hey, maybe it's going to stop na.
Oh, slower.
You line up to. You line up. You line up.
No, ayaw sa. No choice sila dire. You gotta go to the Viking. Oh, the Viking lang sa mukha. The Mile
Wala
per
pa.
one.
Ikaw, you go to the Viking.
Ay, kanilang gable. Kanina lang.
No challenge na there.
Si Calvin dire. He wants to do like the crazy ones first. Ayaw sa one sa muna. Like, the mellow one. Mellow.
I really love the one over there. Yeah, that one.
Wala may galayan lagi ki.
Ari ka dali oh, lain ka dali oh.
Nice. Where did everyone go?
They went inside Snow World. How are you, Calvin? Anli mo tanan. Oh, lagi kay mas barato man siya. Oh, kung kay 3+1 man, so ako libre.
Pictures of the TV without
Hi. Hello.
Tigil mo ang pangbuhat.
Oh, pabantay na to ni Kuan. Wabi mo bantayan ni. Ah. Hi guys, are you excited?
Yeah.
Very excited?
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot him in the face with water.
Oh.
Yeah, perfectly.
If you don't know the person, you squirt water.
If you don't know stranger danger.
Oh. Yeah.
You squirt while you're spinning.
If you see mommy, you squirt water to mommy, ah. Ha?
Maybe.
You too, Gab?
Okay, sakay ka lang Ferris wheel.
Utog gabi, masiguro ng first. Pangutana ko, ah.
Find animals high five. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. Keep your distance.
Unsang oras sa kutob, sir ba? 7:45. Unsa may kanang ride nga mo end na karon, sir ba? Wala pa. 7:45 ang last call yun sa tanan. Sige, salamat, sir.
Oh, sir.
Ay, tagal mo naman ako. They are lining up for one ride. Ano rin to go sa Ferris wheel? Una.
Ferris wheel ka?
Sila di bahala. Dili, mahuman na to sa Ferris wheel. Pagyapon na sila nahuman. Dugay kayo naga. Hi! Hello. Ikaw na. Woohoo! Calvin, where are we? We're in Angelo's World.
Hi. Stand up here, you stand up here. Wow!
Going, Calvin? Where are you going? Where are we going?
Wow!
It's stopping.
Wow! Ay, bilis pa din. Hindi ka kuya. It's so high! Wow! Wow! Oh! Ito rin ako na mental ka labi. Tara, oh, ano na ba?
Ande, Calvin, kami.
Right. 1, 2, coming! Ah! Na. Dito naka-video nila.
Ilog ang bukas na pero. Night mode.
So. Yaka, mag-go down na.
Thank you!
Okay na?
Thank you, sir. Okay, nabilit. Thank you, sir. Wow. Wala. Wala pa picture. Thank you. Nagpa-ride siya sa cup. You chose a ride that's so...
I'm still stuck. You
You're
ride the
stuck.
Ferris wheel
Yeah, finish.
already?
It's aircon inside.
Oh my god.
But you have to try the roller coaster lagi first.
He said, why the roller coaster first?
So that you can experience the thrill.
What is that? I think there's not loud microphone. Like, look.
Maybe it might get basat.
What's that waterproof?
We're gonna squirt each other.
I think boat is more nicer because it's like you get to splash water.
Yeah, it's funner.
There's the Viking boat,
Yeah, he wants to go right after this one.
and you ride the octopus ride.
Octopus ride? Which one?
The one that I pointed, but that's a
The,
good ride.
the yellow?
That's okay.
The yellow?
But you're a liar.
Yeah, I'm not a liar.
Sure. We'll go after. If it, do you think it's what time does this place close?
They say that all rides ends at 7:45.
What time is it right now?
Already 6:30.
Alright, we get 2 rides. We gotta wait the line both times.
You hit the strangers.
Yeah. I'm aiming for only him.
Who?
You'll find out who.
Dang, I didn't get escalator. There.
Do you think it's hard to drive those? Oh,
That's fine. We have been waiting for 1 hour.
huh?
1 hour.
1 hour? You think so?
5 to 6.
Probably.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Ilan nakabuk, ma'am?
Wah. Isa-isa lang.
Asa na? 6. So,
Hindi,
one.
isa-isa na sila.
Okay, tagsa na sila.
Yeah, choose one.
You choose. You choose one.
There's one. Market. Ooh. Ooh, it's like
scared.
sailboat.
We're gonna aim only for Blake.
Go.
Blake, are you free?
Yeah.
Are you chained?
Huh?
Are you chained to anything? Like, do you have the rope? No? Can you move?
Okay, press the right.
Uh-oh. Good. Works.
Everyone.
Why is not working?
Uh-oh.
Hey!
Just wait for a little
Just
while.
wait. What the heck? My speed's not working.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is so cool. Just press it a lot.
Huh?
Just press it a lot.
Mine's not working.
Just
You hold it at the same time?
no.
No?
Maybe.
I landed in my mouth. Please no. Uh-oh, I'm stuck.
Oh. Let's hold.
Oh,
This other boat.
okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me. Jake, is there something in your eye?
I'm really wet.
You what? Ah! Ah! It's in my hair!
Oh my god, you go.
Oh my gosh, your shirt is so wet.
Yeah.
Again.
No.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Cheers.
Pwede makaduha ko, right?
Ben. Biasa yung mga cellphone, Be, kay picturean ti ko.
Dali ha, sa kupang. Wala sir, dili na nipit.
Kevin. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Yay. Lipong ka, lip. Nalipong na siya ka. Ba, ba. Ba, ba. Okay, okay. Basa agad. Asa ang microphone nyo?
Eh.
Ah, this one, oh? That one. You can do it. Go, 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 go. Go, Blake. Go, 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 go. You're 55 and a half.
You're scared?
I am.
Scared.
It's been a long time.
I'm scared.
The stroller.
Totally not scared. Not at all. This looks so lame.
Yeah.
Especially the part where you go upside down. If you're on the left, you go backwards.
You spin going up.
You're walking.
It will spin. And it's going to be very fun.
Wow.
Sa kayo taga kitang
Diko, bahala ka. Diko.
ano man good tao ni?
Marami,
lay kay na.
wala na ko sa...
Lingo lay kay na as in. Ano? Lingo ano? Woo!
Oh my God. Oh, no.
That's not boring.
They look so heavy. Di ko ba sa kaya na eh? Ay, sa kaya na lang daw eh.
I already conquered that.
my god, we're gonna run into the wall. That's not
Let's
this
try.
one. I'll record you to do it. Yeah.
Look at them if they can still stand. If they can still stand, if they can still walk, then it's okay.
If someone will vomit.
If someone vomits, then it means that it's really cool.
Listen, one traumatic event at a time. We're gonna do this one first.
Sakai?
It's like a Dragon Ball.
Uh-oh.
He's 55 above.
If you're not allowed, then you're gonna go exit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Okay. And like this.
Oh yeah, we were at the front of the line last time too.
Upat.
Dapat din siya.
Oh.
Dapat din yan. Parang tapos.
Palapas. Kamay na lang eh. Tapas na.
56 pero gaya ako na na. Pare lang siya.
Ah.
Bilhin ta ng gamit pala.
All right. Mission complete. Here. You can ride this one. Seven to 8. You can ride over. Children 35 inches and below in height are not allowed. Okay, you can go. Go.
Is it the funniest and the scariest one? I guess. Yeah, that's the crazy. The one there, the other one, the bigger one, just go see them.
Good luck. You should face each other.
On my face.
We can watch Blake's face and Blake can watch your face. How do you feel about the octopus ride?
Like in the car.
Like in the car? How about you? You conquered the boomerang. How does it feel to conquer the boomerang?
I'm in space.
You're in space. Blake, Sian is in space riding the boomerang. Yeah. It's like what?
Launching a spaceship, then you're building.
Yeah, your face goes like ah. Do you want to experience the boomerang?
Mommy will not let me.
You can.
Come here, let's try the bike.
You can, Mangut. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Look at them. You can tell a ride if it's good by looking at other people's faces. And I think this ride is good because soon your faces will be just like that.
Take care.
Na, adol yun sa pinakatumoy, oh.
Let's look up, ha? Look up,
Ga.
going down. Let's look up and going back.
Oh, it's just good right now. You're feeling good.
Not so bad.
Not so bad.
Whoa.
Good luck to you. Whoa. Oh no. Woo! Where ka-feel na ko? Bye. Bye. Happy birthday. Thank you for the food.
Thank you, ta.
Thank you.
Apil lang dun nila.
Ano ba siya boyfriend mo?
I don't have a
Yung kuya, yung kuya. Stable.